Hello, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle, in additional, not in today's newspaper. No, today's actually Sunday. It's the yesterday's edition, Saturday, April the 15th, 2023. In this additional, we have already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. The Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it Cypherblock. In Japanese they call it Suguru. And this one will be number 6286. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 15 printed digits. I do not know if this is a hard one or an easy one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9, 10 printed digits. This one has 15. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, so for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you. Can we see here in this puzzle the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Single box, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes. Next question. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle here? 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be the 1 or a 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Same with the other side. This box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Quadra boxes. Next question. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me check. Here, quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. Yeah. Well, next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. Whatever you name it. Well, the first figure or shape. Let me see. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. We have more. Let me check. No, only 2 kind of shapes. Yeah. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Let me check. No, only 1. Overlook this shape. This kind of shape. We have 2 of them. So this box has the same number as that box. Overlooked. Then I believe we have the last shape here. The L shape upside down. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Alright. Okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this area could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. But also those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then, let me see. I marked those 2 boxes with 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Alright. Let me see. Well. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big, in this quarter box should be the 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Alright. Now. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5, 2 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 5. Okay. That means that this box can be 2 or a 5 because we have a double 2 there and a double 5 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for the 5. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 5 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. Here a pair, there a pair. Or here a pair. So 1 is left in this area for number 1. Okay. Let me think. Let me think. 3 and 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 5. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, should be a 4. Can be 5, we have a double 4, 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Alright. Well, this box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can also not be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 4 there, because this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. But we already have a 4 here, so not the solution to place the 4 there, the 4 is supposed to be here. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. Alright. Okay. Not easy, this one. Not easy. 2 and a 4, 1 and a 3, 2 and a 5. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 3. We already have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 1 and a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution to place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. Alright. Then. Well. This box can be a 2. 2 should be here. 1, 3, 4, 2 or 5. Well. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Well, this box can be a 1 because we have a double. Oh, wait. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. Surround the 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay. This box can be 4. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here. And the 4 goes in there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Yeah. Yeah. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5 need to wait. Yeah. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can't be 4 anymore, because we have already 4 here. So, not the solution place the 4 there, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. That means that this box can be 2 or a 5, because we have a double 2 there and a double 5 there. So, the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so let me give this 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, new week, new puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. See you then. Until then, bye-bye for now.